has issued a shelter-in-place warning for Maine. At 9 p.m. the sky started to turn red. Do not look at the sky. Many people who have looked at the sky have frozen in place and died.
All residents must pay close attention to this broadcast as this might be a long event. We never said we want you to look at the sky. By doing so you will risk dying. All residents must shelter in a basement. Bring a battery-powered radio and any supplies to your shelter.
Ladies and gentlemen, the worst has unfortunately come to pass. America has officially fallen in the case of the Red Sky event, as well as the rest of the world. The federal government has ceased functioning. And the president is dead. If you are hearing this message, thank you for being part of the American dream.